Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. Today, I am at the supermarket with my husband, Michael. Many students have a bad habit, translating. When you see an apple, you think in your language first. Don't do that. It makes your brain tired and slow. Today, I will show you how to think in English directly. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we need a shopping cart. Look at this cart. It is big and silver. The wheels go squeak, squeak. Michael, can you push the cart, please? Michael says, yes, of course. We walk to the entrance. Next, we see the fruit section. Look at these oranges. They are bright and round. Don't think of the word in your native language, no. Just look at the fruit and say, orange. Connect the picture to the English word immediately. It is fast and very easy. I pick up 3 oranges and put them in the cart. 1, 2, 3. After that, we walk to the bakery section. It smells warm and sweet. I love this smell. I see fresh bread. In my head, I say bread. I don't translate. I see a big chocolate cake. It looks delicious. I say cake. Look at this word, bakery. It means a place where people make and sell bread and cakes. Michael, do you want some bread? Michael, yes, I like the small brown bread. Look at the color of the bread. It is dark brown. Touch it. It is soft and warm. This is how you learn. Use your senses, not your dictionary. Then we go to the vegetable area. The vegetables are fresh and colorful. I see green broccoli and red tomatoes. I don't think of my mother tongue. I think tomato. My brain is happy because it is simple. We need some carrots for dinner. Michael picks up a bag of carrots. Sophia, are they fresh, Michael? Michael, yes, they are very crunchy and sweet. We also need some soap. This is a household item. Simple words for simple things. We walk past the milk. I see the price. It has a discount today. Discount means the price is lower than usual. It is a good price. I feel happy when I save money. Simple things like a discount make me smile. Now we are in the coffee aisle. The smell of coffee is very strong and rich. Michael loves coffee. Michael, should we buy the black coffee or the coffee with milk? Sophia, let's buy the black coffee. It is healthier. We put the box in the cart. I see a bottle of water. I say, water. I see a bag of sugar. I say, sugar. I don't wait. I don't translate. I just name the things I see. My mind is quiet and calm. This is the secret to speaking English fluently. You must stop the translation machine in your head. Just let the words flow like water. Finally, We go to the checkout counter. There is a short line. We wait for 5 minutes. Sophia, excuse me, is this the end of the line? The lady in front of me smiles and says, yes, it is. When it is our turn, I smile at the cashier. Sophia, hello, how are you today? I put the items on the belt: bread, milk, carrots, and apples. I use my credit card to pay. It is fast. I say, thank you, and have a nice day to the cashier. Michael helps me carry the heavy bags to the car. We are a great team. That is our shopping trip. What about you? Do you like to go to the supermarket? Tell me in the comments. Shopping in English is like a fun game. It is relaxing and slow. When you stop translating, you feel more free. You don't feel tired or confused anymore. Remember, your eyes see the world and your mouth speaks the words. There is no translation in the middle. Simple things make me happy. Learning English can be a simple thing too. Just breathe, look around, and speak slowly. I am very proud of you for practicing with me today. You are doing a great job. That is our trip to the supermarket. It was a very productive and happy day. What about you? Look around your room right now. What do you see? Don't translate the names. Just say the English words out loud. Tell me 3 things you see in the comments below. For example, chair, table, window. I will read your comments and reply to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. I love learning with you. See you next time. Bye-bye.